Nun, das nächste Lied ist ein Chanson. Es stammt vom Altmeister des schwarzen Humors, nämlich von Georg Kreisler. Komischerweise hat er einige Lieder auch auf Englisch geschrieben. Sie müssen sich also nun etwas anstrengen. Aber ich glaube, um englischen Wein geht es am heutigen Abend nicht. Es ist natürlich auch etwas Französisches dabei, nämlich zum Beispiel Entre nous, also unter uns, zwischen uns. Und auch von Paris ist die Rede. I've been in love before, but never like now. She's wonderful, she's heavenly, she's married. I want to be with her and kiss her somehow, because she's kissable, adorable, but it's impossible. So I tell her, darling, we're not having any fun. There's just one thing to be done. Please, shoot your husband. Please, kill him dead. Going to your stuff, he's had enough. Marry me instead. Please, shoot your husband. Please, get him out of the way. Darling, don't be shy, all of us must die. Do it today. Wouldn't it be wonderful, me and you, going abroad on his money? Honeymoon in Paris, entre nous, ducking the police, just us two, oh please. Shoot your husband. And when we are free, if any other guy should love you more than I, you can shoot me. Please shoot your husband. And life is short. How can you say no when I love you so? Please be a sport. Please shoot your husband. Just take his life. When you have it done, let me have your gun, and I'll shoot my wife.